be making putty into slime. So get your putty out. If it's really hard, just add the water. So you'll need water. Just add a tiny bit of water and start to mix up. Or you could let it sit for a few minutes. Just knead your putty. And then once it starts to crunch and like stretch a bit more, like this, then you could take your putty out of the container with water and start to play with it until it gets crunchy, like super crunchy and super stretchy. Then, if it's not stretchy enough, just dip your putty or slime in the container. And start to stretch. And if it gets too hard, then just put hot water on and just like put a hole inside of your slime and add the hot water inside the hole like that. Then you close it up. And then it just sinks in sometimes, but sometimes it gets sprayed. Yeah, it gets sprayed sometimes, so that's why you be careful. Let's get the spray in close up. And I dripped it all over myself. Yes, that is totally how I'm supposed to do this. And for some reason, it is going into the zoom in and close that up like that. And then, see, it will spray if you squish it. For some reason, it's not squishing. Or spray. Right when I said it's not squishing or spraying. It is really fun to play with after. And dip it in the water. If you want, I got this at the rec room in Toronto. And I'm gonna just clean that mess up. And then just throw that. Yep. Throwing things is my job to do. And I'm just going to knead it and smush it until it gets very like slime. Sometimes if you add water to your putty, it gets sticky, so sometimes you could add baking soda and then just start to mix it up with your hands, and then it won't be too sticky, I hope. And if that doesn't work, just add hand sanitizer. Add hand what am I saying? Add contact solution. And then you could, like, it wouldn't make it not stretchy. Wait, what am I saying? So you add contact solution, and then you mix it in with your putty if it gets sticky. So then it won't be sticky anymore. So then, mine is starting to get sticky. That's fine. I like sticky slimes. Anyways, I watch a lot of slime videos. Some of my friends know I'm addicted to slime, so that's why I got the slime container. So when you're done with the slime, just take it up, and that's pretty much all for today. Bye!